Hello guys, you are welcome to solve this math problem which is 2 to the power a times 5 to the power b is equal to 20 and 2 to the power b times 5 to the power a is equal to 50. Then find the value of a and b. So student, today in this video I am telling you how to find the value of a and b from these two equations. So my dear student, our given two equations are 2 to the power a times 5 to the power b is equal to 20. This is equation number 1. And our second equation is 2 to the power b times 5 to the power a is equal to 50. So student, multiplying equation 1 with equation 2 we get. So student, now we can write in here 2 to the power a times 5 to the power b times left hand side into left hand side. 2 to the power b times 5 to the power a is equal to right hand side into right hand side. That means 20 times 50. And after that we can write from the left hand side 2 to the power a times 2 to the power b times 5 to the power a times 5 to the power b is equal to, on the right hand side, if you multiply 50 with 20 then you get 1000. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation we have to apply the formula a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side of this equation 2 to the power a plus b times 5 to the power a plus b is equal to, on the right hand side, if you convert this number in exponential form, so we can write in here 10 to the power 3. So student, to simplify the left hand side of this equation, so we have to apply the formula a to the power m times b to the power m is equal to a times b whole to the power m. So student, according to this formula we can write from the left hand side of this equation 2 times 5 whole to the power a plus b is equal to, on the right hand side we can write in here 10 to the power 3. So student, on the left hand side we can write in here 10 to the power a plus b is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 10 to the power 3. So student, according to this formula we can write from this equation a plus b is equal to 3. So this is equation number 3. Dividing equation 1 by 2 we get 2 to the power a times 5 to the power b over 2 to the power b times 5 to the power a is equal to, left hand side by left hand side is equal to right hand side by right hand side. So we have to write in here 20 over 50. So now we can write from the left hand side of this equation 2 to the power a over 5 to the power a times 5 to the power b over 2 to the power b is equal to, on the right hand side, after simplify the right hand side you can write in here 2 over 5. So student, according to this formula, we can write from the left hand side 2 over 5 whole to the power a times 1 over 2 over 5 whole to the power b is equal to 2 over 5. We can write from the left hand side 2 over 5 whole to the power a minus b is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write 2 over 5 whole to the power 1. So student, according to this formula we can write a minus b is equal to 1. This is equation number 4. So student, to find the value of a and b, so we have to solve the equation 3 and 4. So student, our equation number 3 is a plus b is equal to 3, and our equation number 4 is a minus b is equal to 1. So we can write in here a minus b is equal to 1. So student, by eliminating method we can cancel plus b and minus b. So student, now we can write in here 2a is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now we can transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side. A is equal to 4 over 2, that is 2. So student, the value of a will be 2, and to find the value of b we have to put the value of a in equation number 3. From equation 3, a plus b is equal to 3, and we have to put the value of a in this equation. So now we can write in here 2 plus b is equal to 3. So now we have to transpose 2 from left hand side to right hand side. So we have to write in here b is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. So student, the value of b will be 1. So my dear student, the value of a is 2 and value of b is 1. So student, to check this solution we can put the value of a and b on the left hand side of this equation. In first equation our left hand side is 2 to the power a times 5 to the power b. So now we can put the value of a and b in this algebraic expression. So we can write in here 2 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 1, that is 4 times 5, that is 20. Right hand side is also 20. So that means this solution is satisfied this equation. Okay, and again you have to put the value of a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 on the left hand side of this second equation. Left hand side of second equation is 2 to the power b times 5 to the power a. So we can write in here 2 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 2, that is 2 times 5 to the power 2, that is 25. 2 times 25, that is 50. So student, which is right hand side, and here is also right hand side is 50. So that means a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 are satisfied this both equation. Okay, it is clear that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 is the solution of this both equation. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.